In a season of new faces, yet another new face is thrust into a significant role for the Jacksonville Jaguars. Rookie quarterback Jake Luton, participating for the first time in an NFL game, plays a big role in a key AFC South showdown.
Y'all know what it is, y'all know who it is, we back at it. It's up there in the structure. Feel me, my boy LaVisca here. Live at 5, but it's really 1 o'clock, you feel me? Showtime, let's get it. Yeah, let's go, A7, let's go. Hey! You ready? Let's go! All right. Let's go! Okay! Yeah!
Soundbite. We're coming out here to dominate and make plays. That's it. Dominate. So we're going to do that as a family. Let's get it. Family on me, family on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go 30. Need a big one today.
Right now, let's punch him in the mouth. All my seam balls, if they get single high, widen that flat guy and get up the seam, it's a touchdown.
3rd down and 8 now for Jacksonville. Shotgun for Luton. He drops to throw. Good time. Fires it deep downfield. He's got a man out there. That's DJ Chark. 30, 25, 20, 10-yard line. Did he get to the pylon? Yes, he did. Touchdown. Luton to Chark. And the Jags strike first.
DJ Chark never has to break stride. The ball was thrown perfectly, right on the money by Jake Luton.
Hey, give me some! Let's go, boy! Let's go! Baby! That's how we started up right there, boy. My boy DJ went and got that thing.
Tempo here for the Texans. They go without a huddle. Dropping the throws. Watson throws it out to the left side. That ball is caught into Jaguars territory to the 40 along the left sideline. 25, 20, 15, 10, 5. Touchdown. And just like that, Brandon Cooks has tied the game. Watson to Brandon Cooks along the left sideline. And the Texans strike equally quickly.
Let's go, O. Come on, come on. Come on, O. Keep it going.
Luton drops. Lots of time this time. Fires downfield. That ball is caught by Tyler Eifert. A diving catch into Texans territory. He makes the catch at the 38-yard line.
Robinson fighting some daylight. Taking on tacklers all the way down to the goal line.
Great read by Robinson, but it's the downfield blocking by not only Colin Johnson, but also Chris Conley. This drive is all about sticking to the run for Jacksonville.
1st and goal from the 1-yard line. Luton takes. Gives to Robinson. Tries the right side. Touchdown!
For an undrafted rookie, he has been absolutely sensational, and that drive was about him.
That's it. That's a good job. Great job. Great job. Way to go. Great job. Let's go.
And they'll send out Lambeau for what would be a monstrous field goal to close the first half.
Come on, Lambeau. I believe in him.
Good hold, Lambeau. It's on target, and it is good. Wow.
Let's go. Let's get Lambeau. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Wow. Last play of the half. Gives you a little momentum. Houston 20. Jacksonville 16.
Everybody do what they're supposed to do. We don't go. We don't go!
3rd down and 5 now from the 40-yard line. Jake drops the throw. Fires downfield. Wants James O'Shaughnessy. That ball's going to be picked off.
Boy, and he's got an open James O'Shaughnessy on a deep route, and he just overshoots it.
3rd down and 6. Dropping the throw is Watson. Fires along the right sideline. Once Will Fuller makes the catch. 45, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5. Touchdown, Houston.
Doug Marrone is furious because the play clock was at 0 when that ball was snapped. And that's a heck of a play by Will Fuller, cutting back underneath of C.J. Henderson to make that play one-on-one.
One play at a time. There ain't even no minutes. There ain't even no reason to be flustered. Like, it's the 3rd quarter. Let's go.
Luton drops the throw. Now rolls to his right. Fires downfield. Caught DJ Chark into Texans territory.
Got a little play action bootleg and nice patience by Luton, and that ball's on the money.
Keep it moving. Keep it moving.
Snap it quick. Shotgun. That ball's going to be fired to Conley. Broke a tackle. 30. 25 along the far sideline. They're going to tackle him down near the 20-yard line.
Location, location, location. When Jake Luton throws this ball, it allows Conley to catch it. and then immediately turn his body and get up the field.
Lambeau on 30-yarder from the right hash. Logan gets it down. Josh kicks it up. And the 30-yard field goal is good. He's 41 out of 41 in this stadium.
Hey, let's take this field defense. Hey, take this field defense.
3rd and 7. There's a free blitzer, and Watson is going down. Trey Herndon, and he may have been untouched.
Got him. Got him. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Time is now. We got it back. The time is now.
2:52 to play. You need 8 points to tie the game here. They line up quickly. Shotgun. Dropping to throw is Luton. Steps up, fires right side. That is caught by DJ Chark, a corner route. They're going to tackle him near the 25-yard line. That was a bullet.
I mean, that's the arm that Jake Luton has.
Finish this thing now. Got to. Everything we got right now.
Luton flushed out. They give chase. Luton still going inside the 5, but he spins in for the touchdown. Magical. What did he tell us this week? How confident he is in his legs. The ability to scramble and make something happen with his feet. And now they have to quickly gather themselves as they prepare now for the 2-point try to tie this game. Luton, end zone, incomplete. And Houston maintains the 2-point lead.
That'll do it. We have hit 0. The Texans win at 27-25. You now take on two teams back-to-back with Super Bowl aspirations, the Packers and the Steelers. You move forward with Jake Luton?
He should be the starting quarterback going forward. He stepped up, he kept his eyes down the field, and he made big boy throws.
For me, next week, it's going to be Jake Luton, and then after next week, we'll see.